In this video, I will show you how to create a logo in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is click on logo, and then after that, choose a logo that you want here. So it has a lot of designs that you want to choose. It has a lot of options. So for example, I will click on this, a blank logo, and then click on text, and then click on add headings. So I will create my own logo here. So this is just for example. So like this. So I will type example tutorial. Then after that, I will change the fonts here. For example, the DM Sans and the other one too, DM Sans. And then after that, I will add an effects here. So I will choose this curve, and then I will adjust the curve here like this. And the other one too, I will adjust the curve. Then after that, I will make it capitalized. So just click on this to capitalize it, the letters. So I will recenter it. Then after that, I will change the size of this text. Then I will adjust the spacing of the letters here based on my preferences. So if you want to copy this logo, just copy it. Okay, so I will make it like a circle. So I will need to adjust it a little bit. Okay, so once it's done, I will add a letter again on the middle of the circle. So for example, is E and T, like that. Then after that, I will add a line here to make it look not too boring. So I will click on elements, and then I will click on line here. So here it is. So I will choose this. Then I will adjust the lines of how I can include it on this logo. Like that, I will duplicate it. I will put it on the other side, and that's it. That's how to create a logo. So click on share to download it, and then click on download. Then choose PNG. Then after that, click on download. Then here you will see the final results of logo. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.